Hello Python developers, let's solve another question problem of Python string series. In this series, we are solving approx 500 question problems and advanced string programs. So here we have our program that is generate all substrings. So we need to generate all substrings. CLS clear string. Now we are in VS Code and let's create a file inside this. That is substrings.py. So for this program, we can also write our program find all substrings use strings using Python. So this is our question problem and we're gonna take a input string, enter a string colon fine. Okay. तो लॉजिक हमारा क्या रहेगा, हमें सब स्ट्रिंग्स फाइंड करनी है। पहले स्ट्रिंग लेंगे और उस स्ट्रिंग को हमें फॉर लूप लगाते हैं फॉर I in range of length of s colon and for j in range of length of I plus 1 comma length of s plus 1 colon and print si colon j. So this is our implementation. Now run this. Enter a string is ABC, and these are all the combination of means all the substring of this string, and these all are in a particular order like AB, ABC, and then B. Start with B and BC, and there is no combination after that, so only print C. So this is a way to find all substring using Python. So thanks for watching.